Our world is a beautiful mosaic of cultures. Each culture is unique and special. They shape who we are and how we see the world. Understanding different cultures is important. It helps us connect with people from all walks of life. When we learn about other cultures, we discover new ways of thinking and living. We also learn to appreciate the beauty in our differences. Together, let's explore some fascinating cultural traditions from India and around the globe. India is a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and diverse cultures. Its festivals are full of joy and celebration. Holi, the festival of colors, is a time for people to come together and forget their worries. Diwali, the festival of lights, symbolizes the victory of good over evil. India is also home to many unique traditions. In some parts of India, people celebrate their birthdays by planting trees. These traditions are passed down through generations. They remind us of our heritage and connect us to our past. Just like India, other parts of the world also have fascinating cultures. In Japan, people celebrate Hanami, the cherry blossom festival. They have picnics under the blooming cherry trees and admire their beauty. This festival reminds us of the ephemeral nature of life. In Mexico, Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead, is a time to remember loved ones who have passed away. Families gather to build altars, share stories, and celebrate life and death. Despite their geographical distance, India and other cultures share some similarities. For example, the Indian festival of Diwali and the Japanese festival of Obon both celebrate the spirits of ancestors. These similarities highlight our shared humanity and the universal values that connect us. By recognizing these connections, we can build bridges of understanding and respect across cultures. Section 5, the A.K. Gopalan Case, a landmark in Indian constitutional law. The A.K. Gopalan Case, decided by the Supreme Court of India in 1950, stands as a landmark judgment in the realm of Indian constitutional law. This case grappled with the fundamental right to personal liberty guaranteed by Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. A.K. Gopalan, a communist leader, challenged his detention under the Preventive Detention Act of 1950. The crux of his argument was that the act infringed upon his right to personal liberty. The Supreme Court, however, adopted a narrow interpretation of Article 21, holding that the right to personal liberty was not absolute and could be curtailed by procedure established by law. This decision sparked intense debate and laid the foundation for future interpretations of fundamental rights in India. Section 6, the Gopalan Case and personal liberty. The Gopalan Case had a profound impact on the understanding of personal liberty in India. The court's interpretation of Article 21 meant that the right to personal liberty was subject to reasonable restrictions imposed by law. This decision raised concerns about the potential for abuse of power by the state. However, the judgment also emphasized the importance of procedural safeguards in protecting individual rights. It underscored that any deprivation of liberty must be carried out in accordance with a fair and just legal process. Section 7, the legacy of the Gopalan Case. The Gopalan Case left a lasting legacy on Indian constitutional law. It established the principle that fundamental rights are not absolute and can be balanced against other compelling state interests. The judgment also highlighted the crucial role of the judiciary in safeguarding fundamental rights. Over the years, the Supreme Court has revisited and expanded the scope of Article 21, moving towards a more expansive interpretation of personal liberty. However, the Gopalan Case remains a significant precedent, reminding us of the ongoing debate between individual rights and state power. Section 8, celebrating diversity, fostering harmony. As we've seen, our world is full of diverse cultures, each with its unique beauty and traditions. Celebrating these differences is essential for a harmonious world. When we embrace diversity, we learn from each other, broaden our perspectives, and build stronger communities. Let's cherish the cultural tapestry of our planet and work together to create a world where everyone feels respected and valued. Section 9. Conclusion. A world enriched by culture. Culture is the soul of humanity. It connects us to our past, shapes our present, and inspires our future. By understanding and appreciating different cultures, we enrich our own lives and create a more compassionate and interconnected world. Let's continue to explore, learn, and celebrate the remarkable diversity that surrounds us.